Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to make a paper origami heart with easy steps. So let's start. First you have to fold the at first you need a 15 by 15 square piece of paper. So let's start. First you have to fold the paper like this. Then do the same step with the other side too. Then, then when you will have a two folded cross line, so then turn your square, turn your piece of paper like this. Then take the first top corner, then place it to the middle line. Then take this corner edge and then take it to the top like this. Then you have to fold this side like this, and then fold the other two. When you have folded both of the sides like this, then you will have a shape like this. Then you have to turn over the page and then fold this piece, this corner to this line, and do the same with the other side too, like this. Then take this one and do the same step too, like this, and then do the same step to this side too. Then flip the page and then you will see your heart is completed. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you. Allah and Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.